Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, you are going to learn manipulating styles using JavaScript. We are using CSS cascading style sheets to applying by making more beautification and more styling forms of our HTML web forms. Using this JavaScript also we can manipulate on load or on changing of the content to making more responsive like applying of the JavaScript whenever we try to turn around in the mouse and changing the size of some boxes and all the things we can try to improve more and more at a client side effects. How it is we'll see now. See, HTML DOM allows you to JavaScript to change the style of HTML elements. Following syntax will give you a clear idea. Document by calling a HTML DOM objects, document dot get element by ID with the ID and a dot style dot property. This is the way you have to write the line. That's it. That equal to which style you want to apply for the new style you can write here. For this particular document of object will be applied for what is the style is written here, and the rest of the things you know that how to call the function and how to use and how to do the things all will think and all the events and will be applicable here as well. Wherever you are implementing in a program using JavaScript is a client side scripting, these all will be applicable for anywhere. So we'll see him within the JavaScript. What I'm doing here, I'm taking two paragraphs. With the instance, I'm taking a simple text here. Two paragraphs I have taken. That is one is the ID of a P1 and another one is P2. This is a paragraph of text, first one, and this is the paragraph text is second. Text anything you can write. There's no limit for that. And what I'm implementing here is the JavaScript I'm writing here. Let's see here, initiating the tag and yes, simply document dot get element by ID. This is the ID I'm using. So I'm using that object calling method. It is document dot get element by ID in the script I have implemented here. And the ID is P1, P2. All right. Now what I'm doing, the first one I'm not going to touch anything. By default, it will be like that same thing. And the second one, I'm using the P2 tag, like a P2 ID, not a tag, sorry. The ID here for dot style we have written for the syntax. No, we have seen like but object document dot get element by ID with the ID I have called here with the dot style dot color. What is the color I'm applying here? Brown. And style dot font family. What is this family? Arial. And the style dot font size. What is this family? Large. See the three things, many things you can apply like this. So see the browser output and reload the page. See, this is the paragraph text is in a plain. We didn't touch anything for this. I have extended up to 150 for the viewing convenience purpose. More, yeah. Now see here, and this is the text I have applied many things. Like three things here. Here I am showing you the making our custom CSS I'm applied here rather than the style sheet we are calling. In addition, we want to see using the JavaScript also it is possible to apply. These are the styles. Let's see here. The brown color I have applied. Is it displaying the brown color? If I want to see like a orange, yes, I can apply orange, orange. Save it and reload the form. It is going to be orange. Or you want to see blue. Let's save it and try to refresh blue. It is more. Such way, you are whenever you are calling an object from the HTML within the JavaScript, you can try to manipulate the things and the font which one you want and the font size and all the things it can be possible to apply. That's a very simple. If you are known how to handle DOM objects in JavaScript, you almost happen controlling your JavaScript to our HTML form. know more how to handle these events, how many types of like a HTML with the JavaScript events are there, types of events. By knowing these things, it's a very simple to understand about the JavaScript complete session. Yeah, one more example we'll see here. On event, click changing the text behavior, how it is. Okay, let's see here. So within the things, it is here like how it is going to be displaying for this. I'm taking something like, yes, one H1 tag, my ID is called inline, it is developed here, and my header text it is. When I press something, it will be like changing my header by calling like get element ID on click and the style color it is moving to blue. Yes, wonderful example I have taken. Fortunately, my header text it is by defaultly it is header text. Click here to see header text. It is moving to color somewhere around blue color. Now see the let's see the code. Yeah, it is moving to blue. Or else I can put it as an orange. How it is looks like. Let's see here. Reloading like what how the button click it is going. Click here to change my color. All right, which is a more meaningful and suits for us to like taking in a real time example. Let's see here. By default, it is like this. If I click the event, it is moving to some around something. It is getting yeah, orange. Just it is coming. I'm really sorry about it. Wait, reload. Yes, orange it is coming. So called, you can on load or on events. You can try to manipulate your styles as well. Hope you understand very simple and easy technique to handle events in the JavaScript, manipulating styles as well. Thank you for watching this lecture. Thank you.